Hi, I'm Neha, and this is Rudransh. Rudransh started his Arabic last year directly in grade 4.
And I had absolutely no clue about the language.
Coping up with the entire syllabus after missing out on all the basics was actually very difficult until we met Mausina.
She's literally the sweetest teacher that has ever taught me.
Yes, he is an absolute fan. The thing is, her in-depth knowledge in the subject and the way she deals with children, the level of patience that she has with kids, has helped us a lot to navigate throughout this academic year. And the tiny little tips and tricks about a certain language that only a very experienced teacher can let the children know. That was the best part about her.
The children will be fortunate to have a teacher like her.
Yes, I can vouch that we both truly believe that Mauzina would be an asset to any organization that she engages with. And like he said, the kids are going to be fortunate enough